Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to the commerce lecture. In this class, we are going to discuss about the accountancy. So in our previous class, we have already discussed about how to calculate the interest on drawing under the product method as well as on the average period method. In this class, we are going to discuss about the how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, before going to know about the format of preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, let us know what is meant by the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, it is one of the type of account which is prepared under the fundamentals of partnership firm. In order to find out what is the net profit as well as net loss. Okay, so in order to distribute the remuneration, salary or the commission, or we can say interest on capital, interest on drawing to the partners of the firm. Okay, this account is prepared. Actually, in order to say that this account, that is profit and loss appropriation account, is prepared in order to find out the net profit or net loss arising out of the business. Okay, now let us see what is the format of. Let us see the format of preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. You have two columns, one is debit side column and another one is credit side column. Okay, so particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Two columns will be formed. On the debit side, you have to firstly enter is interest on capital. Whatever you are paying interest on capital to the partners, that has to be entered here with their names. Okay, if it is one partner also you have to record that. If it is two or three partners or four partners, that also you need to record here, and total amount should be shown in the outside the column. Next is to salary account. Whatever you are paying salary or the remuneration to the partner, that has to be entered in the second column. Okay, one thing has to be remembered, that if you are paying, in the problem they will ask you in such a way that 200 rupees per month means 200 should be multiplied with the 12, because in the year we have the 12 months, right? So 200 into 12, how many months we have in a year? 12 months. So 200 into 12 months, the outer column amount should be entered. Okay, suppose in the problem, if they have asked you salary per annum, okay, per annum means they have given yearly. Okay, that yearly full amount should be entered directly in the outer column. It need not to be multiplied, okay, with the months, because they have already given annually. Next is commission. Okay, so commission should be taken on the debit side. Next you will get the net profit carried down. We'll see about this further. Okay, by net profit brought down. In the problem, what they'll do, the profit during the year, like that they'll give you the information that profit during the year should be recorded on the credit side. Okay, next, by interest on drawing. Drawing means, as we know that the amount withdrawn by the partner. Okay, on that we will get what? Interest. So that interest need to be recorded on the credit side. So who has taken the amount from the business, that is drawing, on that interest has to be paid. That amount need to be recorded here. Next, after doing all this, only you will be having five things. One is interest on capital, salary, commission, by net profit brought down, by interest on drawing. That's it. Four things, five things. Okay, next you have to add all those amounts both the side. Wherever you will get highest, always you will get highest on the credit side. Record that. If you get the profit, okay, record same amount here and minus these interest on capital, salary, commission from this total amount. You will get the net profit carried down. That is, after the adjustment we will get the net profit. Okay. Suppose if you get debit side more balance, means that has to be recorded same here, and deduct all this net profit brought down, interest on drawings, you will get the by net loss carried down after adjustment. Okay, take that in the outer column. So this is the format with regards to the profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, in the examination compulsory one question will be asked from this. Okay, what they'll do is, whether they'll give directly this question to do the profit and loss appropriation account, or sometimes what they'll do is, using the imaginary figures, prepare the, that is a practical skill question will be given in the section D. Okay, section D or E. Okay, practical oriented, that is a skill question will be asked from this. So using the imaginary figures, prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. At that time what you have to do is, take down like this columns. Okay, enter, take your own imaginary figures. Interest on capital. Okay, take XYZ, ABC, whatever names you like. Okay, take those names of the partners, put a certain amount, add that and put in the outer column. Next to salary, to commission. Next by net profit brought down, by interest on drawing. There also you have to put your own amounts. Okay, using imaginary figures means only then you have to prepare like that. Okay, otherwise question will be asked in the examination. If you remember this format, you can easily solve the problem. So if you have any doubt regarding the format, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you. Hello students, now we will discuss the problems relating to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so concentrate here. This is very important for your examination. Okay, so this is the question which is relating to the profit and loss appropriation account. A and B are partners. So because of a light you can't see these words, I think. See here, A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss. Okay, so in, as we know that in the profit and loss appropriation account, whatever the profit or loss which we will get, that will be shared among the partners according to the ratios. Okay, so now let us see the problem and let us solve this one. A and B are the partners. We have two partners here. Who are those? A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. In the problem there will be ratio. Okay, so if ratio is not given, at that time you have to take equal ratio, that is 1:1. Understanding? If ratio is not given in the problem, you have to take 1:1. So the ratio of 2:1 with a capital of rupees 75,000 and 50,000. So what is the capital they have here is rupees 75,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively. Okay, see here in the problem what you will do on the debit side, what you will take first? Interest on capital. You should not take the capital. These are the capital, 75,000 and 50,000 is the A and B's capital. Just you have to take what? Interest on capital. So for the interest on capital, in the adjustment they will give the percentage. Okay, we will see that later. During the year, partners earned the profit of rupees 40,200. So what is the profit that they have earned? 40,200. As we discussed in the format, that has to be taken on the credit side by profit brought down 40,200 before the following adjustment. So 40,200 was before this adjustment. Okay, after the adjustment we have to find out whether it is a net profit or the net loss. Now this can be solved only when you come across the format. Okay, if you clearly understand the format, you can solve this within 5 seconds. Okay, now see the solution. Okay, when we come to the solution, this is the format that we have to take. One side, left side debit and the right side is credit. Okay, so by net profit brought down, this is compulsory in all the problems. Okay, if net loss brought down is given, the net loss you have to take. See in the problem, see here, A and B are partners. So because of light you have you may not see this profit. Partners sharing profit or loss. Okay, in the ratio of 2:1. What is the ratio of sharing? 2:1. Okay, with the capitals of rupees 75,000 and rupees 50,000. What is the capital here of the partners? 75,000 and 50,000. Of whom? A and B. Okay, so first according to the format, if we go on the first left hand side, debit side, what we will get? That is 2 interest on capital. 2 interest on capital. So what is the interest on capital? The capital amount is given, not the interest. Okay, so we'll go further now. During the year, partners earned the profit of rupees 40,200. As I said that in the problem, they'll give the profit earned during the year. Okay, that need to be recorded here by net profit brought down. What is the amount? 40,200. Okay, next, following adjustment. Before the following adjustment, what was the profit? 40,200. So see the first point now. Interest on capital at 5%. So capital amount is given 75,000 and 50,000. Okay, now we have to calculate interest on capital, that capital. So A is equals to 75,000 into 5%. So what will be the interest if you calculate? 3,750. Okay, next B. What is the B's amount? 50,000 is the capital. 50,000 into 5%. So what will be the amount if you calculate this? 2,500. Okay. So next see, salary to A rupees 200 per month. As I told that if per month is given, you need to multiply with the 12, right? So salary to A rupees 200 per month. Where you will take the salary? On the debit side. To salary of A 200 into 12. 2,400 you will get. Okay, next B, annual salary. What they have said? Annual salary. No need to multiply with the 12. Yearly they are paying. Okay, how much? 2,500. To B, annual salary rupees 2,500. Okay, next A, commission rupees 500. What is the commission that we are paying to A? Rupees 500. So where commission will come? On the debit side. A, commission rupees 500. Okay. Next, during the drawings made during the year A 5000, B 3000. Concentrate here. Drawings made during the year is given. We need what? By interest on drawing. Okay. So, we need to ignore this even though they have given in the problem. Go further. If they have taken interest on drawing, take that. If they have not given, you can ignore that. Okay. Interest on drawing is how much? A 500, B 300 by interest on drawing A 500, B 300, total 800. Okay. So, that's it. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now, what you have to do is add all this both the side. Wherever you get the highest, take that amount both the side. If you add this, you will get certain amount. If you always, you will get more on the credit side in order to get net profit here. Okay. If you get more here, you will get the net loss here. Now, see 40,200 plus 800, how much? 41,000. 41,000. This is less amount if you add 41,000. Now, you can deduct from this. All this from 41,000, deduct all this. 2 net profit. So, how much you will get? 29,350. This is the net profit which we got out of profit and loss appropriation account. After getting the net profit, that need to be distributed among the partners in their ratio. Ratio is given in the problem. See, 2:1. So, what is the ratio? 2:1. Okay. So, A is equal to 29,350 into, how will you get the ratio? 2 plus 1, 3. So, 2 by 3. Calculate this. You will get 19,567. Okay. Next, B is equal to 29,350 into 1 divided by 3. 1 is of whom? B. Okay. If you calculate this, you will get 9,783. So, this is the ratio in which they get the profits. Okay. So, this problem is very important with relating to your examination. If you understand the format and do 1 or 2 problems, the later problems can be done by yourself within 5 minutes. Okay. So, if you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comment box. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you can get all the videos which we will upload regarding the accountancy, macroeconomics, microeconomics, as well as the subjects relating to the BCom students. Thank you.